All right, Steve standing by. Natasha has the day off, and the day started out a little wet.
Yeah, not too bad. Only 1/100th of an inch here in Portland. That was the same as what we saw on Sunday. We were calling for a little bit of rain. We saw the showers around, a little bit more than that along the coast, but live outside in Seaside right now, cloudy skies, 59 degrees. That west wind at 12 miles per hour. Folks out there enjoying a day along the beach. Boy, lots of clouds here in downtown Portland. I don't see any rain right now, but it is cloudy out there. 68 though, not too bad. Comfortable temperature-wise. And just a northwest wind at 16 miles per hour. As we move into the evening, see those temperatures stay right around 70 before we back it off and clear skies out just a little bit coming up after sunset tonight. Okay, satellite and radar, we'll loop this over the past couple hours. You see the spotty clouds around, the low clouds from overnight last night along with that system and along the coast as well. A little thicker out there along the coast. Just a few spotty showers up there in far southwest Washington, and a couple of scattered thunderstorms up there in far northeast Washington, north of Spokane. But all in all, not too bad. Hey, the winds do continue to blow out in the Dalles, gusting to 22 miles per hour. Not quite as bad as yesterday, just off a little bit. Still 38-mile-an-hour gust in the last 12 hours. Actually, this is since midnight today. So 38 miles an hour at the Dalles, 30 at Madras. So again, another breezy day on the lee side of the Cascades, and then through the eastern end of the Columbia River Gorge and into the Columbia Basin over there in southeast Washington, northeast Oregon, and not too bad here on the west side, gust to about 20 miles per hour. Okay, daytime highs so far as of 4 o'clock, we're at 70 at PDX, normal 77. I think we'll tick it up a few more degrees here in the next hour or two before we cool it down. And upper 60s and lower 70s in the southern end of the valley, and mostly in the low to mid 70s over on the east side. There's that 1/100th of an inch at Portland, 7/100ths of an inch up there at Astoria, 3/100ths down there at Newport. So all in all, fairly light and dry over there on the east side of the state. Pullman, Washington, though, had a 1/4 of an inch there. All right, weather headlines, morning showers tomorrow as one more system rotates through. This one's going to be a pretty weak one. Then we'll warm it up on Thursday. And again, 4th of July, yep, still looking dry and sunny on the 4th. We'll see how warm we can get it. Okay, here's the last few weeks temperature-wise. Warm during the middle of the week, cool over the weekends. Here's Saturday, 70, 72 sunny, and there's the 73 yesterday on Monday. I think we're going to start pushing those numbers up over the next few days. Okay, rain chances here. Tomorrow, just isolated chance here in Portland. I think it's going to be dry on Thursday, and then definitely dry Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and looks like all the way into Monday. The center of the warmth coming there right on Saturday, the 4th of July, so that should be good. Okay, futurecast shows a few scattered showers this evening. That next system comes in tomorrow. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow, a few scattered showers around. We move through the day tomorrow, very similar to today, scattered showers around. They will be light in variety. Okay, it's all because of that upper level trough right there over southern British Columbia right now. And what happens going up into the 4th of July weekend is it just kind of moves to the north and falls apart. We don't see a big ridge of high pressure over us, so I'm not looking for a lot of heat coming up over the holiday weekend, but we should back off that marine low clouds, and that'll help to push temperatures up a little bit over the weekend. Speaking of the weekend, let's jump into that 7-day forecast. There's those showers in the morning on Wednesday. We'll go for 70, and then dry, sunny, 75. On Thursday, there'll be a few morning clouds Thursday. Then Friday through Sunday, Monday, I think we are looking great. We're still going for 80 on the 4th of July. So guys, all in all, not too bad.
Yeah, looking pretty nice for the 4th there too. Thanks, Steve. Coming up.